Hello, this is Kenneth from Tech to You. I'm just showing you how to transfer data from one PlayStation to another. The bottom PlayStation that you see down there is actually the source PlayStation. That'll be the one I'll be transferring data from, to the one up here, which would be the destination PlayStation. I'll be transferring data to that one. Now you're able to do this with PlayStation software upgrade 3.15 or newer. If you'd like to do that, first thing you'll want to do is make sure that you have an Ethernet cable, something like this, attached to each end in the back of the PlayStation. So this would go in the end of that and behind it, and then the other end behind the other PlayStation down there. You'll need to have them both off and then turn them on once you have them connected. Go down to System Settings, then down to Data Transfer Utility. You'll want to read all the notices because there's a couple of things you may want to do as far as backing up your trophies by going to the server. So you want to read over that in case you want to do any of that before you start to transfer. This option gives you two options. You can do number one, which is transfer data from this system to another, or you can do number two, which is transfer data from the other PlayStation 3 system to this one. Well, since we're dealing with the source PlayStation right now, we want to transfer from this system to the other, so we're going to choose number one. And it says preparing. And again, you'll want to read over some of these things here as they pertain to you. Alright, it says check that you have made a direct connection between the two systems using Ethernet cable and that the other PlayStation system is turned on. Hit OK. Waiting for transfer. Now we're going to set the PlayStation to go to the other destination PlayStation. So I'm going to change the channel here. And we have the destination one. We'll go to settings here. Okay, there it is. System settings. Then on this one, we'll also go to data transfer. Say OK. This is transfer data from the other PlayStation to this one, so we're going to pick number two. Alright, so now we have some instructions here for the destination PlayStation. Before receiving the data, the hard disk of this system will be formatted. All data will be deleted during formatting. Do you want to continue? So I don't have very much information on the destination PlayStation, which is the newer one. So we're just going to go ahead and say yes. And again, it's telling me if I formatted, all the information will be deleted. It cannot be restored. But there, again, there's not much on there, so I'm okay with that. Looks like the formatting is going pretty fast here. Alright, let's restart. Alright, you can see we're about 16%. with an hour and 14 minutes to go.